Do you want to sell journals on Amazon and you haven't started yet because you don't know graphic design or have expensive software? This is not the case. You can still create simple yet beautiful journals and sell them on Amazon. Today, I will show you two simple methods to create beautiful journal covers for Amazon using free tools. You don't need to be a graphic designer or have expensive software. Just follow these easy steps and you will be good to go. Hey there, welcome back to Guideoladge. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for everything about digital marketing, making money online, and building your online business. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out any latest updates. So let's start creating the cover page of the book. Every cover has to be perfect to fit the book. So, to create the cover, you will need the exact cover dimensions. For that, search on Google KDP book cover template and you will see a lot of results. Click on the first link where you can see the word cover calculator. Now, let's fill in the details for your cover. Choose paperback for the binding type, black and white paper for the interior type, white paper for the paper type, and set the reading direction from left to right. Measurement units always in inches. Interior trim size it's 6 into 9 inches. Page count it's 120 or 150. You can add as many pages as you like. For now, I'm giving 120 pages. After filling in all the information correctly, click on Calculate Dimensions. You can see that Amazon gives you the exact dimensions of the cover page. Now, simply download the template. Remember, don't download the image as it is just for example. Now, click on the download template. This template will download in a zip file. You will need to extract it in your files. Now head over to Canva and just copy the dimensions that Amazon gives you and paste them on Canva. Remember that the units are always set on inches. Now create the design. You will see a new project has opened. Now just simply upload the downloaded cover template on Canva. Adjust and align it perfectly. Now simply reduce the transparency of the template and lock it so it won't move while you are creating the front and back pages of the cover. Canva offers hundreds of free templates, but feel free to get creative. As you can see, everything is set. Now, let's design the cover page with the first method. Go to Elements. Here, you can see the shapes and select the square shape for the base. Now, simply drag and adjust it according to the template. This is going to be the front page of the cover. Let's put some elements here. For that, simply search Elements on the Search Elements bar. I want a simple yet attractive cover. So, I'm going to use a mandala artwork because I'm going to create something with it. Type mandala on the Search Elements bar and you can see so many elements here. Sorry for this spelling mistake. Now, click on the graphics and search for the element you like that can apply to your design. Don't hesitate to reject any elements that you don't find suitable for your design. Remember, what you are creating is the stuff you like or love. I'm not going to use any pro elements as I'm using a free account. You can also purchase the pro version at any time for better use. After many trials, I got the element that I needed for my cover page. I'm going to make it as wide as I need. Okay, now just duplicate the shape, crop it from one side and adjust the elements accordingly. After the adjustment, it's time to change the color of the elements. For that, just select the element or page, go to this color option and select the color you like. You can also adjust the color just by clicking on this color option or dragging the mouse until you get the color you want. For the color of the mandala element, the same process goes with it too. This color doesn't work well. Let's switch to a basic white. It looks so much cleaner and smoother. Okay, let's color this element too. I am making it a little darker so it can create a little difference. Now select the page element and duplicate it again, and it's going to be the back page of the cover. Adjust everything if you feel the need. To make it more attractive, I'm going to use the shadow here. For that, just type shadow and press enter. You will get many shadow elements and choose the shadow that can go with the design. For my cover, I'm selecting this shadow element. To adjust it vertically, you need to rotate it up to 90 degrees. You can also do it by flipping the element. I'm doing it because I'm too uncertain about the design. I want to replace it in between the two elements. For that, select the element and you will see three dots here. Just click on it. Then click layers and select send backwards. Now you can adjust it according to your needs. You can also reduce the transparency to make it more realistic. I like it. For the back cover, you can leave it blank or add some elements to it. I'm going to add the same mandala element just to make it more attractive. Now simply duplicate the element and double tap on it to crop it, or you can just select the element and go to edit image and select crop option to crop the element. Now crop it in the middle and make it small. Rotate it and place it where you like. I'm also reducing the transparency a little here. Now I'm adding the title of my book. For that, go to the text option, select add a heading and now type or copy paste the title of the book. It's time to change the font. For that, select the title and go to here to change the font of the cover. Select the most appropriate font you like. Here are so many fonts, so be creative with it. I'm adjusting all the elements slightly for a better result. I think the shadow on both sides will give a more authentic result. So I'm just copying it and trying to adjust it. It seems difficult with the layers, so I'm trying another method by sewing the layers and editing and adjusting it accordingly. Reduce transparency, and yes, this is the final look. It's simple and quite good. Select the file type to PDF print and done. You can see the cover is downloaded into a PDF file. That was our first method. Simple and effective. right? Now, let's move on to our second method, where we will use another approach to create a stunning cover. Yes, of course, you have to go to Canva and select the cover page dimensions. I'm creating a 6 into 9 inches cover, so here let's put the dimensions, and of course, the units should be in inches. Now, click on Create New Design. A new project will open. Here, what we're gonna do is repeat the same process of creating the design. I am taking the same elements to create the front design first. See, I want the perfect color like the first one. So I will just going to copy the color codes to match the color of this design. If you don't know how to do that, go to the previous design, just select the color option and click on that color and you will get some codes. These are called color codes. You will get to know about them gradually. For now, let's just fast forward the design process as I'm just simply selecting and adjusting according to my needs. Well, the front page is ready. Now click on the add page to create the back page of the cover. I am now just changing the background color as I don't think the shape element is required here. Now let's just complete. After completing both pages designs, download them into a PNG file. Now go to the home page of Canva and select the dimensions that we have on the downloaded template already. I am just selecting these dimensions. You can see that a new project has opened here. Now go to uploads and drag and drop the cover template. Adjust it accordingly. What you have to do is now upload the both front and back cover pages that we have. You can drag or just click on the pages to process the designing part. Now, let's just reduce the transparency of both of the pages for a better experience. Now drag and adjust the pages. For the middle section, I'm selecting a square shape, adjusting it to the spine section and changing the color. After that, increase the transparency of both of the pages. This design is slightly different from the first one. Now, let's add a shadow effect to the spine of the cover. Head over to the Elements tab and find the same shadow we used earlier. Rotate it and adjust its position carefully to fit the spine. To place it correctly, click on the three dots in the toolbar, go to Layers and select Show Layers. This will allow you to drag and adjust and edit the shadow until it's perfectly aligned with your design. After finishing the design, delete the cover template and download it into a PDF file. And that's how you can create a journal cover for Amazon using two easy methods. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep hustling. Bye bye.